Step 1. Switch on the digital oscilloscope. Step 2. Connect OSC probe to input BNC socket. Step 3. Adjust horizontal position to 0 second and then press horizontal menu button.
Step 4. Press CH2 button, then adjust vertical position until the value appears 0.00 diff. Press H1 button, then press F2. Press H2 button inverted to off. Press H3 button probe to XL and press button F3 masker select no. Press H4 button limit, then press F1 to full band. Change press button F3 masker select no to change from A to V.
Step 5. Reduce step 3 for CH1. Step 6. Press measure button. Press H1 and then press F3 show all. Make sure F2 show depend on CH input.
Step 1. Put probe to input BNC socket. Step 2. Put hook tip to the probe comb and crocodile clip to the ground.
Step 3. Press auto set button to get the result. Step 4. Press measure button, press H1, then press F3 show all. The output waveform will appear as shown below.